Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram. This group cannot be displayed. If you're encountering this group cannot be displayed error in Telegram on Android, you can try the following steps to troubleshoot and fix the issue. First is you need to check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. Or you could also try restarting your app. What you have to do is simply open your Telegram app and close it off. And reopen it if the issue is resolved. You can also try updating your Telegram. What you have to do is go to the Play Store, and in the top there's the search icon. Tap on that and look out for the Telegram and open it, and make sure you have the latest version of the Telegram installed from the Google Play Store. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements. Or you could also try clearing the cache and the data. What you have to do is press the Telegram app like this. Go to the app information, go to the storage and cache, and on the bottom there's this clear cache option. Tap on that. Or you could simply clear the storage and note that this will log you out of Telegram, so you'll need to log back in. And sometimes you could also try restarting your device. Sometimes a simple restart of your Android device can resolve issues with Telegram as well. And if none of these steps help, consider reaching out to Telegram support for further assistance. And this is it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.